There's the pizza. Perfect. Stay with me because we're gonna make a lot of pizzas in a different way. I'm gonna show you what we do, how we roll. Oh, by the way, I'm using this for this video. This Ray-Ban is not sponsored by anyone. My friend Darren gave it to me as a gift for my birthday, so I decided to do the whole video about it. So thank you, Darren, if you're watching this video. It's he gave it to me. It's a really huge support of mine. Go ahead and follow him on Instagram. Looks good. Perfect. Here we go. Let's go. Let's start this day. How that looks. Super tired. It's 8 o'clock. You guys beat my eyes today. No cameras. First thing to do here in the morning is checking the dough. This is the dough that we're gonna use. It's perfect, fermented. Tomato sauce. We got all the ingredients done. Honey, spicy salami. Looks good. Perfect. We're gonna get three dough because we're not gonna make a lot of pizzas in this event. Here we go. Let's place this right here. Let's go get some basil because basil is really important. Ciao Antonio, buongiorno. Posso prendere questa piantina di basilico? Questa? Ok. Quant'è? 2,50. Mo te li prendo, va bene? Grazie. Ingredients from the local market that we are close to it. We're going to get the pizza oven on the wheels. I'm gonna show you everything. And this is not over yet because tonight we're gonna have a huge event here in my pizza place. This is a small event that we're gonna make special pizzas. You guys gonna see it. It's 8:44. The event starts at 12. Okay, let's go. Let's go get the oven. We got everything. I never wear glasses, so people they're gonna see me today. They're gonna say, "Why are you wearing glasses?" But just for you. We need about 2 hours to fire up the oven, so we need to get there at least by 10 o'clock, 10, 11, 12, because 12 o'clock is gonna be the first event, and they want the pizza ready at 12. So my farm here, we're gonna check the first. We're gonna give some food to the chickens, my bunnies. Look how fun it is. Towing. We're gonna go ahead and get the tow bar out, deploy, done. Now we get the retro. This is the coolest thing of this car. Towing, and we are able to the car down. The car goes down. Done. Look at this. Then I lift this up. This thing goes down. Look. I don't do anything, guys. Let's go check it out. Look, it went down just a little bit, like that. Done. Car is unloaded. Let's give some food to this chicken. Gonna make sure bunnies have water. Stay there. They want food. They're hungry. Coming, ladies. They're hungry. Here we go, 2 eggs, guys. Okay, they're eating. Let's get this thing done. Let's get this thing here up and going. This is the most dangerous thing to do in this business, which is you guys gonna be careful because really I'm gonna follow up going. Controlla dietro, se. Yes, we did it. This is the most difficult thing to do when you do caterings. Okay, battery off, otherwise it's gonna die. Boom, boom, boom. Pizza sign. That's my other thing there. This is a coming soon project. Need some wood. The best wood, guys, is olive wood. Some of these things here, no? This is good for the flame. Perfect to burn down and make some perfect flame to cook the pizzas. Here. Okay. Oh, by the way, guys, that's Sergio, my cousin. He's also a pizza chef, and that's how we roll. 24 hours with me, guys. Oh, cazzo, si è rotto. Shit. Ok. Va bene. That's good. Here we go. Look why I chose this car. I can see the sides. It's perfect to travel with when you do some kind of work like this. You can see everything, every angle. You can see here, this side. If it touches the gate, look at this. Oh, really close. Oh, this is where I grew up. Now tell me why I shouldn't have come back. Just like that, here we go, 9:52. By 10 o'clock we need to fire up the oven, do the whole setup. Amazing location, guys. You're about to see Puglia style. Here we go, guys. Let's go ahead. Let's do this. Look how beautiful it is. Be my eyes for a day, guys. Remember to subscribe, smash a like, and support by sharing. It's totally free. Take a look. What a beautiful location. We're gonna go ahead and park over there. Here we go. Okay, guys, here we go. That's where we are going to do the setup. We decide, not there, but there. So now it's time to go ahead and get a nice coffee, because we don't do anything without coffee. I want to show you this beautiful. Setup. Buongiorno. This is where they do breakfast here. Yes. That's the manager. Good morning. How you doing? A real fireplace. And this is where the inside location is. Look how beautiful is it. Good morning. They are setting it up because today we are doing a wedding. Buongiorno. Va bene. And here we go. This is the chef, Giuseppe. Ciao, Giuseppe. Ciao. So look how beautiful the details is there. Counts. The names, everything. Guys, if you want to get if they want to get married here, what they gonna do? I'll put you the phone number and email in description, guys. Everything is getting ready here. Come si chiama quello? Buongiorno, buongiorno. Questi mangiano. Caffè, cornetto, tappo.
No piccolo.
Che servizio. Giuseppe, chef, this is homemade?
Yeah.
I mean, take a look at this croissant. Top class, top fermentation. Wow, let's taste it. It's soft and it's crunchy. Guys, they make the pizzas here too. But when they have a lot of guests, they call us. How old is this oven, Giuseppe?
Questo
Super old.
è del 1729.
Oh my god.
1729.
Yeah.
1729. Whoa. Whoa. That's what I'm talking about. See? You guys can see. Beautiful. Wow. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and taste this beautiful. Ooh. Orecchiette. Take a look, guys. What is this? Orecchiette with?
Orecchiette with stracotto.
Stracotto. What's the stracotto? Meat?
Meat, yeah. It's a veal meat. And caciocavallo cheese.
Oh my god.
And sauce of... Chef, abbiamo finito. Okay, sauce of buff.
Wow. Wow. Let's go, guys. This beast here. Put the brakes on. E devo andare un po' più dietro. Okay, guys, the guests are already coming. Let's fire up this oven. We also have so much wind, my god. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole setup, and I'll get back to you. And here we go. Time to put the jacket. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the whole setup, the most beautiful part of this video. That's what the customer going to look like. You see how I look? Look good. Smash the like. That's how it looks. Tell me in comments what you guys think. I'm trying to do the video like a camera. Wood is on. We got ingredients, we got tomato sauce. Let's open up everything. Zucchini, homemade pesto, bolognese, bacon. Let's make a pizza. Oh, we need to clean up the oven. Those are the peel from G-Metal. He already moved everything. Clean up. Sergio already moved everything. But the wood, we need to put it perfect. The last thing that you want to do is move the wood on the side, because this way the oven is nice and hot on the bottom. The chef is here, so we're gonna start and make the pizza for this chef, Chef Giuseppe Pedone. We're gonna show the time. Look at this, 11:58, perfect timing. You say 12 o'clock, no? Yeah. We are at 12 o'clock and we're gonna make the first pizza. Again, he wants a margherita, so that's how we do it. That's how we roll. Done. Then upside down in the flour, a couple of times in the flour. Flour is already there. So now we press, boom. Upside down. Voila. No. Watch out. Boom, boom, boom. Tomato sauce in the center. Fresh mozzarella. Mi dai l'olio, se? Fresh mozzarella. Boom, boom, boom. Clean up your hands. And then olive oil everywhere. Can I get the peel? Pala. Now we pinch it, finger under, make the pizza the size of the peel. On the spot, in the center, boom, one shot. Place this here, sure everything is clean. We wait, the cooks the sides. Here we go. Like you can see, we're checking the bottom. The bottom is white, so we go ahead and we move the pizza to a different spot. We want to give the wood flavor, and then we go like that, 1, 2, and 3. Voila, this is the pizza, guys, how it looks like. It's not done yet. Go ahead, olive oil on the crust a little bit, boom, 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 basil, voila. I present you the pizza. Voila. I mean, that's a thumbnail right there. This soft and crunchy pizza. Ooh. Here we go, guys. Let's put the wood to warm up. Okay, like you can see now, is smoking. So we go ahead and we keep it nice up and going, you know. Done. Keep some space here and there. Make sure the wood is on, up and going. Right there, we need space to put the pizzas. But I guess they're coming. Certo, sì, sì. We give the smoky flavor. Pizza is lovely, almost ready. Nice, crunchy on the crust. Togli un pezzo. Lady wants it. The pizza with no honey. And then we serve it. Prego. And that's how we serve the pizzas. Ready? Pronto sei questa? That's our bolognese. Okay, guys, I had to unload the truck here. We finished the event, so it's 2 o'clock, 8 p.m. We have an event. We need to go ahead and make the preparation for the whole event tonight, so stay with me. And we are going back. We have a party. It's we just finished. It's 2:50, 8 o'clock. Private event also in my pizza place. So we're gonna go ahead, prepare everything. You can see today is non-stop. Don't even have time to put the gas on. You ready, Sergio?
You ready?
Just arrived to the location, like you can see. We're gonna unload everything. We still have some dough here left. I'm gonna go ahead and reball this so we don't throw away anything here. I'm gonna go ahead, turn it on the oven. See you later on today. Oh, this is my own town here. We do a breakfast after work, of course, no sugar. Chin chin. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, I fell asleep, changed my car, and but I decided to shut this video anyway. The place is already full, but luckily I have a great team. Place is full, everything is busy. I'm gonna try to get you the whole thing here. Show me the door. Perfect. Open the other one. Perfect. Sergio, start 2-3 pizzas, vai. Here we go, let me wash my hands. And then I'm gonna show you one pizza margherita, how it looks like. So guys, this is how I stretch the pizzas. Press, press, press. Tomato sauce, parmesan cheese, and fresh mozzarella. Olive oil. Then we pinch it, finger under, and then roll. That's how we make one pizza margherita. Vai! This is the temperature. The bottom is 324, 400 the top, and let's cook it. Like you can see, the place is already stopped to eat some tapas here.
It's a great night.
Yeah, that's Shazim, one of my team members. It's an electric oven, so it doesn't need to be checked. So we check the bottom, it's cooking great. So a few seconds, and it's ready. And this is the pizza margherita. Now we cut it and we check the crust. See, this is the crust, nice, soft. This is a slice of pizza, bottom, and now we taste it. Sergio, taste the pizza. Perfect. Stay with me because we're gonna make a lot of pizzas in a different way. I'm gonna show you what we do, how we roll. Okay guys, the last pizza of the day is the pizza dessert. I'm gonna show you how we do it. So in this case, we press the crust. That's it, we make a little bit smaller. Now we cut. A little bit of Nutella inside. Then we close it. Now we make a couple of holes and put some brown sugar, flour, rub it from here, right, and then we cook it. The pizzas are ready. Now here we cut it. And now what we're gonna do, we garnish the pizzas with Nutella. Then we finish up the pizzas. That's the best way to finish up the day. Woo-hoo. Now we go ahead and we serve it.
That's the best way, especially like you like this type of content. Smash a like and tell me comment what you guys think.